Hi Charlotte, Miss Camito here, and today we'll be doing extension task 5 of overhand throw, which is doing an overhand throw to target while kneeling at different distances and varying forces. Now the visual aid I have today is a T, because the T at the top, see how it's a straight line? I want your arms to be just like that before you throw. Now, you may not know what near and far are, so I'm going to show you some examples. In relationship to the Christmas tree, I am near to it because I am very close. There is not a lot of distance between us. If I take steps over to the left, me and the Christmas tree are far. There's a big gap in between us. Okay? So, here we have the targets over here. They have different letters on them. What we're going to want to do is we're going to want to throw our target, which might be just some socks, to whatever letter starts with your first, to whatever letter your first name starts with, okay? So over here, we have a B, we have an O, then a C, and then a J. For Charlotte, we're going to want to throw it at the C. So how we're going to start is first we're going to make sure before we throw that there's nothing breakable around us. We're going to want to have an empty space, okay? We're going to want to make sure our shoes are tied as well. So now, I'm going to show you an example of how we're going to throw a kneel. What you're going to want to do, whatever hand you have the ball in, you're going to want to put your opposite leg up. So I have the ball in my right hand. I'm going to put my left leg up right here. Okay? And if you had the ball in your left hand, you would put your right leg up. So first, we're going to start doing a throw that is near and light force. Do you know anything that has a light force or that's light? Good, good. Something like a feather. So let's think we're throwing a feather. And we'll get really close right here. Okay? So we'll have our leg up. Airplane arms, T arms. Okay? Ready? And throw. Right to target. There we go. Now we're going to try far and hard force. Do you know anything that's hard? Good. Something like a rock. And now with fast force, hard fast force, we're going to want to pretend we're throwing just like we're a cheetah. Okay? Ready? We're throwing a rock like we're a cheetah. That's what we're doing. So we have our arms out like a T, and our leg up, and then just like that. All right? Now let's see if you can do it on your own. Very good. That was a great throw. Don't forget those T arms, okay? Now I have one question for you before we leave. What leg do you want to have up if the ball is in your right hand? Good, your left leg. Now what leg do you want to have up if you're throwing with your left hand? Good, your right leg. Don't forget that and your T arms and you should be good.